quieres, hazlo tú.
Hazlo mío. I am gonna do it.
Okay.
I wanna do it. You're gonna show me how.
We have to.
No. What's up, you guys?
Okay.
Bienvenidos a mi canal. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And hit that bell button. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, Grandma. So my grandma's back, so you guys know what today's video is gonna be. It's gonna be a cooking video. We're cooking today. Hold on, relax.
Okay.
Today we're cooking chicken. Oh wait. Today we're cooking
chicken
tostadas. And yeah. Alright, so.
Y tenemos
5 chicken breasts. We thawed. This is called thawing them, right? Where you leave them in water and let them defrost.
Para defrizarla.
2 hours, leave them in water.
Y ahora le vamos a sacar el plástico para cocinarla.
So right now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take all of these out. And also while she's cutting those out, I wanted to say I'm gonna try, because someone said to try to record like more the inside the pan. So I'm gonna try to do that. So don't hate me if I don't. So Grandma, where did you get this chicken at?
Okay.
Where did you get it? Where did you buy it?
Oh, at Costco, the big bags of 5 pounds of Costco.
Do you have it in there?
Yes.
Okay, can we show them? Sorry.
Show them.
So this is the meat, the breast that we got and that we used. They're individually packed. So that's what you guys saw. And these are from Costco. Do you know how much they were?
13 something.
Like $13 for 6 pounds of chicken breast. And so right now we filled it up with water.
Yes.
And we're gonna use a lime.
Hello, one.
Yeah, that's a lemon.
Lemon.
Not a lime. Just
okay, lemon. They can be lemon or lime, but I got lemon. Okay. You wanna put fresh garlic?
this is also, oh my god, that smells.
Garlic.
This is also from Costco. A little bit, like an overflowed spoonful.
Yeah. A little bit of salt.
And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit.
That's it. That's on medium.
It's on 6.
Medium high.
Medium high. Let me just leave it there. How long do we leave it there, Grandma?
Like 20 to half an hour.
20 minutes to half an hour.
It all depends when la pechuga esté blandita.
Yeah, so whenever the meat gets soft and ready to cut up.
Y mientras la pechuga hace eso, vamos a cortar el tomate, la lechuga, y vamos a tener el queso ready para cuando preparemos la chicken tostada.
So I'm going to cut 4 little tomatoes. Okay, these are extra juicy. And we're going to also cut some lettuce.
Déjate para allá, yo la corto aquí al lado. Ya está todo lavado.
Everything is washed.
Y la lechuga debe ser bien finita.
And the lettuce has to be really thin.
Esto es un plato muy exquisito de tostadas que ustedes lo pueden usar como para una fiesta, añadiendo más cantidad, depende de las personas que sean y las tostadas que se coman. Si se comen 1, 2, pero hay personas que se comen hasta 4 de tanto que les gustan, porque yo lo llevé a una fiesta.
Yeah, my grandma's tostadas are bomb AF. And you know what bomb AF means, Grandma?
Yeah, bomba.
But what does AF mean? She don't know.
Las tostadas mías son una bomba de sabor.
Yeah.
Para dividir las cosas, puede usar uno así de 3, que uno para la lechuga, uno para el tomate y otro para el queso Chihuahua.
So these are just like the toppings. You don't really have to do this if you don't like all this stuff. But this is what, like, I don't even, all I put is lettuce and cheese on mine. I don't put tomatoes. You can actually put anything, jalapenos, anything you like, you know.
Oh, they can put jalapenos on the top, guacamole,
anything. Pineapples, actually.
We can put a ¿cómo se dice? Refried beans on the bottom of the tostadas. Then put the chicken salad in the top.
My grandma was like, let's get everything out and ready for the video. That way we're not running around. But as you can see, we don't have anything ready, right?
Yeah. Everything is hard for her because she didn't used to cook.
As you can see, I'm trying to learn more. So we're just chilling and waiting 20 to 30 minutes for the chicken to fully cook, and we'll come back when it's done. The chicken is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna like separate it so it could be shredded. And here we just take some forks and just separate it off. Alright, we're gonna finish doing this and we'll come back. Alright guys, so the chicken is done. Shredded. My grandma you didn't even shred them that small.
Don't worry, you can get more different
Pretty
sizes.
good. Alright, so she's gonna go ahead and pour it in the bowl.
Wait a peas.
Yep. Just gonna go ahead and put the peas and the carrots in. Did you drain them? Did it have water?
Yes.
She drained it. She drained the water or whatever was in it. Put a whole can of it. Here that is. Go ahead, mix it. Oh, and she's gonna add the mayo.
I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 for now. Maybe they need more.
Then these are really big spoons, so then go ahead and mix it on up. Really, really nice and mixed. This looks bomb.
You need a little bit more mayonnaise.
I think so too. Good call, because I love mayonnaise.
You think 2 more spoons?
Yeah. So that means we put 5 spoons of mayonnaise. While she's doing that, I'm gonna show you guys the bird that's always talking. He's all by himself. We used to have a bunch more, but he's the last one standing. That's Panchito. He's the one who's always talking in our videos. I think that's good.
You think so? It's okay? Yeah.
This is what it looks like right now. Oh. With the carrots, the peas, the mayonnaise. And we put it in here. I don't know why we put it in here, but to make it nicer looking. This is like the, what is this called? Tupperware to put in the fridge or whatever. Alright, empty. Spill something. We're gonna put some aluminum foil, and I like it cold. My brother's girlfriend likes it hot or warm, but I like it cold, so we're gonna put it in the fridge for like maybe like an hour. Serving himself. Bite into it. No, we gotta get everything on there.
Let me see.
And then. Oh my! Don't. Idiot. Hurry up! Take a bite.
No crazy.
Hold on.
What you say?
Bomb, right?
Yeah, the tostadas.
Okay,
no?
Noeli, show over here.
Chicken.
Put the lettuce, tomatoes, then you put the cheese on the top. You see how cute?
Hold on, let me take a picture of this.
And you can put a chili.
You can put anything on this. Anything you want.
Anything you like. It.
It's a video now.
Yum, yum.
I didn't put lettuce. My grandma has everything on it. Pretty bomb. So we're about to finish. Hold on. That completes today's video. I'm about to eat these bomb tostadas, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the angles were better. This was a little quicker video because it's quicker to make. Not a lot of steps, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyways, I hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you tried out how it tastes. Pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.